Welcome to Health Miracles, where we uncover the nutritional wonders of nature's best seeds for a healthier you. The 6 top healthiest seeds you should include in your diet. Seeds are packed with essential nutrients and offer various health advantages. Incorporating seeds into a balanced diet can contribute to reducing blood sugar levels, cholesterol levels, and blood pressure. This video will outline the nutritional value and health perks of 6 of the most nutritious seeds you can incorporate into your diet. 1. Flax seeds. Flax seeds, also known as linseeds, are rich in fiber and omega-3 fats, particularly alpha-linolenic acid, ALA. However, the omega-3 fats are encased within the tough outer shell of the seed, making them challenging for our bodies to digest. To unlock their nutritional benefits, it's advisable to consume ground flax seeds. In a 1 ounce, 28 gram serving of flax seeds, you'll find a diverse array of nutrients. Calories, 152. Fiber, 7.8 grams. Protein, 5.2 grams. Monounsaturated fat, 2.1 grams. Omega-3 fats, 6.5 grams. Omega-6 fats, 1.7 grams. Manganese, 35% of the recommended daily intake, RDI. Thiamine, vitamin B1, 31% of the RDI. Magnesium, 28% of the RDI. Moreover, flax seeds are packed with polyphenols, especially lignans, which contribute to their health benefits. Studies indicate that the lignans, along with the fiber and omega-3 fats in flax seeds, can aid in reducing cholesterol levels and other risk factors associated with heart disease. Furthermore, evidence suggests that regular consumption of flax seeds may help lower blood pressure, with research showing notable reductions especially when eaten whole over an extended period. Studies also hint at the potential anti-cancer properties of flax seeds, particularly in breast and prostate cancers. This might be attributed to the lignans present, which act as phytoestrogens, similar to the female hormone estrogen. Beyond heart disease and cancer risk reduction, flax seeds may also aid in managing blood sugar levels, potentially lowering the risk of diabetes. 2. Chia seeds. Chia seeds, much like flax seeds, offer a wealth of nutritional benefits, boasting high levels of fiber and omega-3 fats, among other essential nutrients. In a 1 ounce, 28 gram serving of chia seeds, you'll find calories, 137. Fiber, 10.6 grams. Protein, 4.4 grams. Monounsaturated fat, 0.6 grams. Omega-3 fats, 4.9 grams. Omega-6 fats, 1.6 grams. Thiamine, vitamin B1, 15% of the recommended daily intake, RDI. Magnesium, 30% of the RDI. Manganese, 30% of the RDI. Similar to flax seeds, chia seeds also contain essential antioxidant polyphenols. Studies suggest that incorporating chia seeds into your diet can elevate levels of alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, in the bloodstream, which is crucial for combating inflammation. Although the body's conversion of ALA into other omega-3 fats like EPA and DHA is typically inefficient, research indicates that chia seeds may help boost EPA levels. Both whole and ground chia seeds have been shown to be equally effective in immediately lowering blood sugar after a meal. Evidence also suggests that chia seeds can mitigate risk factors associated with heart disease. 3. Hemp seeds. Hemp seeds are a remarkable vegetarian protein source, boasting over 30% protein content alongside numerous essential nutrients. These seeds stand out as one of the rare plants that provide complete protein, encompassing all the essential amino acids vital for bodily functions. Research has indicated that the protein quality of hemp seeds surpasses that of many other plant protein sources. In a 1 ounce, 28 gram serving of hemp seeds, you'll find calories, 155. Fiber, 1.1 grams. Protein, 8.8 grams. Monounsaturated fat, 0.6 grams. Polyunsaturated fat, 10.7 grams. Magnesium, 45% of the recommended daily intake, RDI. Thiamine, vitamin B1, 31% of the RDI. Zinc, 21% of the RDI. Notably, the omega-6 to omega-3 fat ratio in hemp seed oil is approximately 3 to 1, considered favorable for health. Hemp seeds also contain gamma-linolenic acid, an essential anti-inflammatory fatty acid, making hemp seed oil supplements popular among many. Evidence suggests that incorporating hemp seed oil into one's diet may positively impact heart health by boosting omega-3 fatty acid levels in the bloodstream. Moreover, the anti-inflammatory properties of omega-3s could alleviate symptoms of conditions like eczema. 4. Sesame seeds. Sesame seeds, commonly enjoyed in Asia and Western countries as part of tahini paste, boast a diverse nutrient profile akin to other seeds. In just 1 ounce, 28 grams of sesame seeds, you'll find calories, 160, fiber, 3.3 grams, protein, 5 grams, monounsaturated fat, 5.3 grams, omega-6 fats, 6 grams, copper, 57% of the recommended daily intake, RDI, manganese, 34% of the RDI, magnesium, 25% of the RDI. Much like flax seeds, sesame seeds are rich in lignans, particularly sesamin, making them the top dietary source of this compound. Interestingly, studies suggest that sesamin may convert into another lignan called enterolactone by gut bacteria. Enterolactone's resemblance to the sex hormone estrogen has significant implications. Lower levels of this lignan have been linked to heart disease and breast cancer. Research on postmenopausal women revealed that daily consumption of 50 grams of sesame seed powder led to lowered blood cholesterol levels and improved sex hormone status. Moreover, sesame seeds exhibit anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which can alleviate symptoms associated with various disorders, including arthritis. 5. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are among the most commonly enjoyed seeds, offering a wealth of nutrients including phosphorus, monounsaturated fats, and omega-6 fats. In a 1 ounce, 28 gram serving, pumpkin seeds provide calories, 151, fiber, 1.7 grams, protein, 7 grams, monounsaturated fat, 4 grams, omega-6 fats, 6 grams, manganese, 42% of the recommended daily intake, RDI, magnesium, 37% of the RDI, phosphorus, 33% of the RDI. Additionally, pumpkin seeds are rich in phytosterols, plant compounds associated with lowering blood cholesterol levels. These seeds offer various health benefits, likely attributable to the diverse nutrient profile. Observational studies have indicated that higher consumption of pumpkin and sunflower seeds is linked to a reduced risk of breast cancer. Studies have also explored the benefits of pumpkin seed oil, revealing its efficacy in alleviating symptoms of prostate and urinary disorders. Pumpkin seed oil may reduce symptoms of overactive bladder and improve the quality of life for men with enlarged prostates. 6. Sunflower seeds. Sunflower seeds are rich in protein, monounsaturated fats, and vitamin E, making them a nutritious addition to your diet. In just 1 ounce, 28 grams of sunflower seeds, you'll find calories, 164, fiber, 2.4 grams, protein, 5.8 grams, monounsaturated fat, 5.2 grams, omega-6 fats, 6.4 grams, vitamin E, 47% of the recommended daily intake, RDI, manganese, 27% of the RDI, magnesium, 23% of the RDI. Studies suggest that sunflower seeds may be linked to reduced inflammation, particularly in middle-aged and older individuals, which could potentially lower the risk of heart disease. One study investigated the effects of nuts and seeds on blood cholesterol levels in postmenopausal women with type 2 diabetes. These women consumed 30 grams of sunflower seeds or almonds daily for 3 weeks as part of a healthy diet. By the study's end, both groups experienced reductions in total cholesterol and LDL cholesterol. Conclusion: seeds are excellent additions to your diet, providing valuable sources of healthy fats, vegetarian protein, fiber, and antioxidant polyphenols. Notably, they play a role in reducing the risk of various diseases, with certain seeds containing lignans that contribute to lower cholesterol levels and a decreased risk of cancer. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content on health and wellness.